After 17 years in the U.S. Coast Guard, Kalei found his way to Craven Community College, where welding offered him a new creative outlet and a new beginning. Kalei's hard work and dedication recently earned him second place in the Skills USA State Welding Competition, a statewide event that brings together the most talented technical students from across North Carolina. Thanks to your financial support and assistance from the foundation, Kalei's passion is now igniting a second chapter of purpose and pride.
My name is Kalei Johnson. I was born in Maryland, raised in Hawaii for the majority of my childhood and my teenage years. When I turned 18, I joined the Coast Guard. In the military, I was a machinery technician. I worked on a lot of engines, a lot of refrigerators and hydraulic units, but here I'm doing welding. I'm enrolled in the welding program, and that allows me to use my more creative side because the welders, they just look like they're having a lot of fun with what they're doing. They get to create things and make things. So Craven helped me discover my artistic side through the skills program. One of my instructors had mentioned it. I was curious as to what Skills USA was. So after a few meetings and lengthy description of what the program does, it allowed me to use my creativity and my artistry by making welding into art. And I never really looked at welding as an art. It was more or less like a structural integrity type of job set. But they told me that there was an avenue, there was a category where I could use my welding skills in an artistic way, and I made a sculpture for a competition, and I won second place in the state of North Carolina. So without the support of the Craven Community College Foundation, my journey would have looked a little more tedious. A lot of the logistics was done by the foundation. So without their support, I would have had to have looked through those avenues by myself, and I honestly wouldn't have known where to start. So they helped me out tremendously in that area. So to the donors who made this opportunity possible, if they were sitting in front of me, I would say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. And I would honestly ask if there was anything I could do for them, what would that be? Because this has meant a lot to me. There are people that genuinely want to help you. That is what I think made me hesitate the most, is that I didn't feel like I had a support or a help group. But as soon as I enrolled, there was people very eager to help me. So when I think about my kids, I would like for them to see, as I chase this new dream, that Daddy didn't give up. In the face of adversity, Daddy found a way to make it work, to make it happen. I didn't have a direction in my life for the first time in 17 years. And I found a way to push forward, and Daddy didn't stop.